Automotive manufacturers know that every vehicle begins with data, especially the data that comes from sensing technology. In automotive development, testing, and manufacturing, sensors deliver the data that engineers need to make every car safer, smarter, and more efficient. In the development phase, thermocouples and RTDs monitor critical temperatures in engines and exhaust systems, and differential pressure sensors and mass airflow sensors provide insight into combustion efficiency and emissions, while torque and load sensors measure drivetrain and suspension performance, and strain gauges measure stress in unibody structures, helping engineers refine every detail before a vehicle goes into production. In manufacturing, pressure transducers keep hydraulic and pneumatic systems running safely and efficiently. Temperature and humidity sensors verify paint curing conditions. Even proximity and vibration sensors help robotic systems maintain accuracy on the production line. And when it comes to safety testing, sensors capture every detail, from impact pressure and acceleration to cabin deformation, giving engineers the data they need to design safer vehicles and more effective airbag and restraint systems. From concept to open road, sensors and the data they provide help deliver performance, reliability, and safety, driving innovation across the automotive industry. Looking for sensors and instrumentation for automotive applications? Contact one of our engineering experts at dwyeromega.com